Hey there, I'm making this quick video. If you got E5 on your treadmill error, what it actually is and what you can try to do. So if the load exceeds the current limit, there is a protective system, and if the power treadmill is stuck, the system will under heavy load, the system will protect himself. Please check the current and voltage to solve the stuck problem. And primarily, so the system is under heavy load, the system will protect himself. Please check the current and voltage to solve the stuck problem. Open it again and check carefully mechanical parts if something is like stuck inside. This is possibly it, and maybe it's going to help you like actually fix the issue. So also the EFI can also really depends what kind of like you have. So means target speed doesn't match actual speed. So that's pretty much it. Maybe this video was helpful, maybe not, but this is something that you want to check. If the motor is quiet and smooth, I make sure it's not dry between the belt and deck, then loosen the walk belt and retest. So have a great day and goodbye.